Hi, first through third grade. I'm happy to see you again. We're going to continue with the lesson we started on last time. So this is part 2 of that lesson. So we are working on singing with appropriate posture and pitch and rhythm. That is standard 7. And then also we are going to work a little more on the different types of notes. Instead of just using pictures, I will show you how those pictures work with different kinds of music notes, okay? So let me start off with that. So that is another music standard for us, which is to be able to read music. We're going to start on early. Now, you all will recognize these notes if you're in 2nd or 3rd grade, but first graders, I don't know if you've seen them before, maybe in your other school. So if it's new, we'll just do a couple today, okay? Be easy peasy. So our first type of note, this is a quarter note. A quarter note gets 1 beat. And the umbrella in our song, in our story, also got 1 beat. Next, we have 2 eighth notes. Since they're together, they're connected like this. They also get 1 beat. But each of them is just a half beat by themselves. Cool. All right. Last thing, we have a rest, which was the sun. The quarter notes were the 2 raindrops. Your rest is the sun whenever you didn't hear any sound. That also gets 1 beat, but it's 1 beat of silence. Okay. And this rest, this type of rest, this squiggly rest, is called a quarter rest, just like your top note is called the quarter note. Okay, because we both get 1 beat, quarter note, quarter rest. And you'll see these notes all the time in music, okay? Cool. So let me go ahead and share my screen with you again. Great. So we're going to listen to this song again while you see the pictures up here on the board. Do the beat on your legs. Here we go. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftop, not on me. Great. Actually, before we move on, try singing that with me. 1, 2, ready, sing. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the rooftop, not on me. Awesome, guys. We're moving down this way so that we can see these different types of notes. Awesome. So whenever you see the umbrella, that is the quarter note. These raindrops are the eighth notes. Here's some more quarter notes with the umbrellas. Awesome. Moving back up here. Here we have another quarter note. 2 eighth notes go with the raindrops. 1 more quarter note with the umbrella. And then the sun gets the quarter rest. Okay. So There it is. Let's move on to the second part of our song. Same thing. So this one is rain on the rooftop, not on me. So we have one sound here, one beat. Two sounds gets the two quarter notes. Rain on the rooftop. Lots more umbrellas. We have quite a few more quarter notes. Not on me. And we have another sun, so that is your quarter rest. Awesome. Great job, you guys. That was really great. Let's go ahead and see if we can clap these lines together, okay? I'll sing and you try to clap with the rhythm. So this time we're clapping with the words. It'll sound like this. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree. Rest. Okay, just like that. We've done this before if you're in second or third grade. Remember, if you have the sun or the quarter rest, both of your hands are going to go like this, rest. Okay? So for that first line, it look like this. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rest. Okay? Let's go back so you can do it with me this time. Here it is. Awesome. 1, 2, here we go. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rest. Rain on the rooftop, not on me, rest. Awesome, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and stop sharing my screen. That was so great, you all. So what I'd like you to do for your assignment to go along with this lesson is I would like you to go ahead and find a pencil and some paper or just something to write on. It can be any sort of paper. You don't need, special staff music paper to do these rhythms, okay? So take a minute. Find a pencil or a pen and some paper. Awesome, you guys. So all I'd like you to do today is for you just to practice writing these different types of notes, okay? I just want you to practice drawing them. Remember these notes that we're using today. Whenever you're drawing the circle part, it's always filled in. Because if you make it empty, like that, that's actually a different type of note. Okay. So you always want to make sure that circles are filled in. Okay. And then the rest can be kind of tricky. I didn't do the best job drawing it either, but it's basically just a big school ball. Okay. So these are the 3 types of notes I'd like you to practice drawing. Just practice making some quarter notes. Practice making some eighth notes. Make sure they're connected like this. Okay. And then practice making these quarter rests. On your paper, while this is up here, write down at least one example of each of those 3 types of notes or reps so that you're able to just practice drawing them. Okay. Awesome, you guys. I will see you live again so soon.